Another day, another dollar. Welcome back to another video, guys. So I took a sell trade on boom 600 index. I got my entry here on the close of this candle. Price dropped to this level and I closed over 50% of my sell positions in profit, and I still have the remaining 50% running up in profit, which I still expect price to drop to the downside. So after I closed out here, we got the spike to the upside, and I knew it was just a retracement. Basically, price came to retest this level for the sell continuation. I shared this sell signal to my VP members. We've made good profits on this sell trade, and we are still making money on the sells on this index. So how did I know this index is going to sell from this level? What's my view and analysis? Again, today we'll be having a trade breakdown and a market analysis on this index, sharing to you guys what I think of the market on boom 600 index. So firstly, I start from a higher time frame. I want to analyze the market, and this high time frame can be the daily time frame, the weekly, or the monthly time frame. So this index has been existing for like 2 months now. I would say, yeah, 2 months. It's not 2 months, but this index has been existing for about 6 weeks right now. That's the reason we got less candles on the weekly time frame, less market data basically. So in daily time frame, we can see that this index possessed bullish strength on its existence. Firstly, price dropped to this level, created a low at this point before price pushed back up at creating a high, and following up was this bearish engulfing candle, which price has been selling after this formation. We've got a lot of sales past this. So here the market created a zone. A zone was created here. We can see that on the 4 time frame. The market created a zone basically, which the market has been expecting a level of resistance. Same price, react on this level resistance, support, support here, resistance, resistance, resistance. And before that, we got this index push in an uptrend, like I spotted on the daily time frame, like we identified the bullish move to the upside. So the bearish engulfing candle we saw on the daily time frame is this sells, this bearish engulfing candle basically sell move we got on the 4 time frame, which the market has been possessing bearish strength. So this lows got broken. We had the break of structure here. Price shifted from an uptrend market to a downtrend market, and this formation as well is a bearish reversal pattern formation. Whenever we see the market create an ascending channel formation, there's usually a breakout to the downside. We see price drop to the downside, and seeing a descending channel formation, something of this kind, we get the breakout to the upside, get the breakout to the upside, right? To see price give the bullish breakout. So this formation here produced these cells, and these cells on its own is coming in a descending channel formation, which we could still get the bullish breakout on this index. Being that this index started existing not long ago, we are likely to see a lot of indecisive moves in the market. You may find it difficult predicting this index perfectly well. My tip is about to get smashed very close. Let's see what happens. Like I was saying, you may find it difficult predicting this index because we have less data on the market, but short term and taking advantage of the sell move, having that this index is on a downtrend, and you have the zone which the market created, seeing the reaction here, resistance, 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 and support as well. Trend support here and this horizontal level of support. So price could drop to this level. That's my prediction basically. See price drop to this level for the buy move, for the bullish breakout basically. Because this is a level of support on the daily time, on the 4 time frame that market has always expected, having the reactions price buying on that level as a support, horizontal level of support, the second buy, the third buy is here, and the fourth buy is at this point as well. So we've got 4 reactions on this level. So it's 12 for species of same price, buy on the test of this level, because the buyers have seen this level to be an interesting level in the market, a level that has caught their interest basically. So I took the sell trade on seeing a good build up, a bearish build up on this level. I think that was on the 30-minute time frame. Say the 15-minute time frame, I saw a good formation, a bearish formation that triggered my sell expectations on this index. So our TP just got smashed. Automatic TP1, despite closing 50% of our sell positions and profits. I expected this index to drop. I closed at 50% to stay safe in the trade. So if the market goes against me, I wouldn't be losing in general, maybe end up in break even on this trade. So I expect this index to drop to this level in the coming hours. Basically, maybe you can see the buys after they drop to that zone. You can get this index buy afterwards, basically. I can get the bullish breakout because we got a descending channel formation on the 4-hour time frame, which is a bullish was a bottom formation. So we could see the bullish breakout on this index. So I shared this sell signal at this point on seeing the reaction on this zone, having that we've got a lot of reactions on this level, and this is a level the market created on the 1-hour time frame and on the 4-hour time frame. Same price, another level resistance, resistance here as well. Sorry, resistance at this point. Third reaction, the fourth reaction resistance, horizontal resistance level, and the fifth reaction here as well, resistance. So seeing this level being expected, the drop to the downside is expected, at least for price to come to this level of support, because a gap was created on this bullish move. The market formed here, a bullish gap was created. So I expect price to come fill it up. I expect the sellers to push price to the downside in the coming hours and minutes. So on the 30 minutes time frame, I saw a nice formation, a head and shoulders pattern formation, which is a bearish reversal pattern formation, which caught my interest on this index, and also a consolidation formation, right? There was a consolidation formation here, which I sold on the breakout of the consolidation support level because I expected price to drop to the downside. My entry came at this point, right? Price pushed up a little bit before pushing back up. Am I getting the sells back to the downside? And on the reversal pattern formation, which is a head and shoulders pattern formation the market formed, we got this left shoulder here, the head at this point. Not really perfect one, but I knew that the sales was coming up and I needed the best structure to get into the trade, which the market created here. So left shoulder and I'm getting the drop to the downside. So let's see what happens on this index. More sales expected. I've closed over $1,000 on this sell trade, which I still expect more sales in the coming hours and minutes, probably before the end of today. Throughout today, basically, this index is likely to go bearish before price could reverse on testing this level. So that's how I sold this index and the signal was shared. Don't miss out on my fire trade signals. So join my VIP group. Instead, you might add me. Username is dropped on my public Telegram channel. So for more trade reviews and market breakdown, do want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. Limits up, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day. I'm likely to close half of the 50% that is running up in profits. Let's see what happens, guys. Thank you guys and do have